Humans have progressed and developed, but to get where we are now cost a price. And now, we have to pay for it. Today is the best time to start, now or never, and this video will show how we can take small steps to saving Mother Earth.
There are many things that you can do to help save the planet Earth. Slow down the climate change. The quick increase in Earth's temperature is causing lots of problems for plants, animals, humans, and the environment. We can prevent the climate change by planting trees, plants to help absorb the carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. Save Earth's natural resources. As human population grows, so do our demands on the Earth's resources. The Earth can only produce these things so fast, and if we don't work together, we could run out of it. Save Earth's natural resources by just saving water. Something as simple as turning off the water while brushing your teeth make a huge difference to planet Earth. By doing those things, you are doing a huge part to save the Earth. Reduce using plastics. Plastics wraps, containers, and water bottles are populating our ocean and land, and it causing harm to humans, animals, and plants all over the world. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. The human population is growing so fast, and so is the amount of things we use and throw away every day. The Earth can keep up with all of our garbage. So we have to start thinking of ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle what we use. Respect planet Earth. Planet Earth gave us everything we need to live a happy, healthy life, but sometimes we don't know how to say thank you for everything Earth gave us. We need to do what we can to show planet Earth we are grateful for what we have.
So classmates, now you know. Do these little steps and we can save our planet Earth.
Such a beautiful, such a beautiful, such a beautiful, beautiful world.